This is a 2016 Chevy Trax, and we are replacing the outside mirror. In the door pull area, there's a little cover right here. And we need to remove that. Underneath that cover, you will find a 7mm headed screw, and we need to remove that now. In the hand pull area, we'll find this little cover, and underneath there is a 7mm headed screw, and we're going to remove that now. Next, we need to pop the door panel off. Alright, we got all the clips off, so now we can just lift up on the panel. We can just leave the panel right there with all the cables connected to it because it's not in our way. Next thing we have to do is to remove this electrical connector right here that goes to the mirror. Once we do that, we want to take this piece, pull that back so we can get at our bolts that hold the mirror on right here. This connector right here that goes to the mirror, there's a little rubber grommet right here, so we want to push that in the door like that and move our connector right like that. Next thing we have to do is to remove these three 10mm headed nuts that hold the mirror on. You'll need a deep socket for this one right here because it has a long stud on it. Now there's nothing holding the mirror on, so it'll come right off. To replace the mirror, all we have to do is to reverse our steps from this point right here, and we'll replace our mirror on our Chevy Trax.